Hello everyone. We're going to show you how to transfer music from a Huawei device to a Samsung device using MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Step 1. Install MobiKin Transfer for mobile on your computer. You can find the download link in the description below. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, launch MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Connect both your Huawei and Samsung devices to your computer using USB cables. Make sure to enable USB debugging on both devices if prompted. Ensure devices are in the right place. Tap Flip to switch if needed. You'll see a list of supported data types. Select the music option, then click Start Copy. This will initiate the transfer process for your music files. Ensure that both devices stay connected throughout the process. And that's it. Once the transfer is complete, you'll find all your music files on your Samsung device.